So we're back here at the hotel again, and earlier this morning when that hike, we went to Zippy's and I got some Hawaiian food. That was actually really good. And I also got some malasadas from Leonard's. It was like a food truck one, but it was still really good. The original definitely is the best one. Cinnamon one was okay, but original is really good. And I just want to show you the view because I know I haven't, shown you guys the view yet, but this is what it looks like out here. Woo! Look at this place. We got the lagoon right there. We're at the beach down that way somewhere. And if I didn't mention before, we're staying at the, what was it called? The Hilton Hawaiian Village or something. And yeah, Hilton Hawaiian Village Inn, and I guess they have different towers, and we're on the Rainbow Tower. And that tower is supposed to be like famous for Hawaii 5-0 or something. But yeah, so we have two balconies. That's the one I just showed you. Out on the right is another one. And it faces more of the town, mountain area. And then you got the beach down there. And we're just waiting for my boy Edwin and his friend to get here, and then we'll head down there. But yeah, Hawaii, baby. Let's do it. Come on. Highly recommend this hike too. It's not too bad. Edwin and Jackie just did it in their slippers, Oh, I couldn't. I got glass ankles. But yeah, really good hike. Hey, come on. Ready? Parkour.
Parkour!
He's so athletic.
Very tight shorts.
What you think about the Pillbox hike?
That's okay. I'm not a camera person.
Is that all you have to say after an hour of walking?
Get out of my face.
I just thought I'd take a new one.
Honestly, the hike wasn't too difficult, and the reward is really nice. I recommend this hike. Like, I don't know how it could get better than this. Finally made it to the beach. What beach are we on? We have no idea. We kind of just pulled over, huh?
Yeah.
Found this gem. Look at this. Beautiful. But we're about to take a dip, snorkel a little bit. Waves not too bad. Boy, anyway, let me see those goggles, baby.
What to do, baby? Scuba D.
Yeah, we're about to do it. So, let's go. Bro, this guy's about to break that shit. Oh, that was tight. Yeah, this beach is dope, man. Look at this. The girls just lounging. But Yeah, I don't know what the name of this beach is, but it's beautiful. 100% worth it. Waves not too bad. Just couldn't, like, well, I was trying to snorkel, but it wasn't like, you can't really see anything, you know? But we'll snorkel more tomorrow and get some GoPro footage with it.
1 hour later.
It's supposed to be the best shaved ice in town. I don't know if it's the best shaved ice. We'll see. Supposedly. Hey, low-key the line was kind of long, but hopefully it's worth it. We'll see. Let's see how it tastes like. You ready? You ready, bro? Come on. Ready? First bite. For me, at least. Not this native. But the howdy it is. It's kind of hard. But first bite. You're supposed to first bite with me.
Oh, no, I already did it.
Oh, you did?
So good. What'd you get?
Bro. Hold on. I'm gonna get another one. Hold on. Cheers.
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh, yum.
Bro. Hold on. We have Bahama Bucks back home in Arizona. They trying to be like Matsumoto. Ain't nothing like Matsumoto. Bahama Bucks sucks.
Oh my gosh.
It does. This one fire. Straight fire. Huh? Guava and mango. Final verdict on this place. Pretty bomb. Gotta try it out. I think the hype is worth it. It's cool. So we're roaming around North Shore and we are comparing
Shrimp.
but we gotta go to Jenny. You know Jenny's like Forrest Gump. There's her shrimp truck. What's after Jenny? After Jenny we're gonna go to Big Wave right there. We might go to Giovanni's, I don't know yet. But
We're going to Giovanni's, baby.
let's go, we going?
I know Giovanni myself.
Oh shit.
She'll hook it up with a shrimp.
Big wave.
Big Wave! Let's see which one's better. What you think, Big Wave or Jenny's?
Big wave smells good.
Big Wave smells good?
Yeah.
I'm rooting for Jenny's because Jenny's is more like nobody really there. But we'll see.
Oh, that one guy went here.
What one guy?
The Howley.
Edwin Ocampo?
The Howley.
The Howley man.
That one.
So here we are after we bought shrimp from Jenny's truck and then we went across the street to Big Wave Shrimp and this is what they look like.
Blind
This
taste
is
test.
Jenny's garlic and this is Big Wave's garlic shrimp.
Let's try it.
And we're gonna do a blind taste test. Haley's gonna pick one, I'm gonna close my eyes then I'm gonna see which one's better. But here we go. Ready?
Okay.
Set, go. My eyes are closed. Don't let me feel you either. Is it ready?
Here, let me take the shell.
Okay. That had some shells on it, but it's pretty good. It's crunchy because of the shells. Flavor wise, really good. Garlicky, buttery. Why am I closing my eyes still? But yeah, second one. Ready. That one, without a doubt. Hand, like, no hesitation. Which one was it?
Jenny's.
It was Jenny's, the second one?
Yeah.
Let's go! I told you, Jenny's is better, bro. No, like, hands down.
Really?
No, wait. I'm gonna do a blind taste test. Hands down, for me, Jenny's is way better. Way better. But let's do Haley's. You can hold it.
Okay.
You gotta actually close your eyes, okay? Is it closed?
They're closed.
Alright, how many numbers?
4.
Man, you lied. Alright, ready? Shells is okay, right? Yeah, it's fine. Nah.
Oh.
God.
Bite.
Tastes like shrimp. Got a lot of shells.
It's okay.
Chewy through.
Okay.
Ready? How you like that one? It's okay.
It's okay.
All right, ready?
Well, take some of the shells off.
All right. Ah. Come on. How that one taste?
A lot of shells.
Can you taste the difference?
What's better? One or two?
Same.
Oh, good job! It's the same. It is the same exact one. Okay. Close your eyes again. Close your eyes. Okay. Damn. Okay. She ain't lying, bro. Okay.
That's awesome.
That was the same exact one. Did you hear me?
I thought you were gonna give me the spicy one.
God
I was
damn
so
it.
scared.
All right, ready?
No.
Close your eyes. Eyes closed?
They're closed.
All right.
This is kind of hard.
Ready?
Uh-huh. No, this one's better.
That one's
The
better?
same.
Is that one better?
Yeah.
That's Jenny's, boy. Let's go. That's 2 for Jenny's. Blind taste test for Jenny's. Dude, Jenny's. Both of us. Like blind taste. Jenny's is way better. Way better. Hands down. You guys want to try this? Try this one non-spicy. It's bomb. But yeah. These guys got
Try the
spicy from Jenny's.
try the spicy.
Yeah, we'll try that. And then what'd you get over there? Same as
It's
this?
the same, yeah.
Okay.
Same.
Yeah, that was
And this is nice and succulent.
But yeah, Jenny's is bomb. I gotta try that spicy.
Yeah, try it.
Verdict is Jenny's way better. 100 times better than Big Wave. You gotta go to this one right here. Yeah. Mahalo. Thank you. Okay, you gotta go to that. Jenny's shrimp truck. Bro, 10 times better than Big Wave over there. And Big Wave's more popular, it seems like, but Jenny's is on point. Tomorrow we're gonna try the infamous Giovanni's, but I don't know how it could get better than Jenny's shrimp. So that's it for now. Peace.